All right, we're at need a new battery here in the 2018 Tundra. The 27R were out of stock, and the 24R didn't have quite the cranking amps that I wanted. So I found that the 94R, which is the H7 group, fit in here just fine. You can see. But I don't like this battery holder, so let's fix that. Alright, that's what we end up with. Just have to cut these off a little bit, but the H7 battery does fit in there with the different holder. So